Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be breaking down Prateek Kuhad's song Tum Jab Paas on the guitar. I had made a cover version of this song recently. If you haven't already checked that out, I'll put a link over here so that you can go check that out and come back, because that way this tutorial will make a little bit more sense, because this is not exactly how Prateek Kuhad plays it. I'm breaking down the way I play it. And each song can be played in different ways, so it's okay. It might not sound exactly the same, but it'll sound pretty good, I promise. So there are three parts to this song, like every other song. One is the verse, second is the chorus, and the third is the bridge. In the entire song, only three chords are used, which are E major, A major, and B major. Now if you cannot play the B major bar chord, you can also play B the easier way, but I'd recommend a bar chord bit because it gives like a bassy feel to the song, which sounds good. And also you need to have a capo and put that on the second fret. Now the chords for the verse are E, A, E and B. Got it? And then for the chorus, the chords are A, B, E, and then again E. Cool. We'll get to the bridge later. So there are two ways of strumming this entire song. One is by picking the strings, and the other is by strumming them. Okay, now I'll be breaking down both ways, so whichever one is easier for you or whichever one sounds good, go ahead with that. So first let's break down the picking pattern. So it goes like this. What I'm doing over here is I'm playing the chord, or whichever chord I'm holding, playing the entire chord, and then playing the fifth string, second string, and third string. So it's going like E chord, fifth string, second string, third string. A chord, fifth string, second string, third string. E chord, fifth string, second string, third string. B chord, 5, 2, 3. Now let's play it together a little faster. 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, E, 5, 2, 3, B, 5, 2, 3. Okay, in the beginning this will be a little tough for you if you're a beginner, but I swear to God it's so easy. I'm not even kidding. It's really easy to play this, and once you keep practicing again and again, you'll get the speed for playing this picking pattern, and when you play it fast it sounds really good. So when you're playing while singing, it sounds like this. Kitne hain waade, kitni baatein baki hai. E, A, E, B. So in the cover version, what I do is when the first chorus comes, I stop picking the strings and I start strumming them like this. Strumming pattern is very simple. It's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So remember, the chords for the chorus are E, A, B, and then E for 2 times. So when you strum it, it goes like down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Tum jab paas aati ho, kitne palko se muskurati. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, E, down, up, down, down, up, down, B, down, up, down, E, down, up, down, down, up, down. So from the second verse onwards, I keep strumming in the entire cover version of this song, because it gives a full effect to the song, because there's no one accompanying you, there's no drums, there's no piano, nothing. So you need to provide the viewer, provide the listener a full effect that okay, now this song is being built up. So that's why I keep strumming from the second verse onwards. The next part of the song is the bridge, which goes like this. खो जाने की जिद ना करो, ख्वाहिश है ये दिल की. Now remember, we learned that strumming pattern, down, down, up, down. You do the same exact thing, but now we've changed the chords. So now the chords are A, B, E, and then B. So in the chorus, we were playing A, B, E, and then again E. Now in the bridge, we'll play A, B, E, and then again B. Okay guys, now I'll sum up the entire video so that you can understand what I was trying to say. There are three parts of this song. One is the verse, second is the chorus, and third is the bridge. Okay? Now the chords for the verse are E, A, E, and B. Chords for the chorus are A, B, E, E. And chords for the bridge are A, B, E, B. There are two ways of playing the entire song. One is by picking the strings, and it goes like this. So you plug the entire chord, and then you go 5th string, 2nd string, 3rd string. Plug the entire chord, 5, 2, 3. Plug 5, 2, 3. Plug 5, 2, 3. Now the other way of playing the entire song is by strumming it, and the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down. So it goes like down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So that was the entire song. I hope you guys learned something out of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel and check out my other cover videos that I keep putting up on this channel.